Have you ever wondered why okra water is hailed as a miracle drink? In this video, we'll reveal the 5 incredible benefits of okra water that you need to know. From boosting your immune system to aiding in weight loss, we'll explore how this simple drink can transform your health. Stick around to the end because we've gone the extra mile to gather surprising insights and expert tips that will exceed your expectations. Ready to unlock the secrets of this superfood beverage? Sure, let's dive right in. We'll start by uncovering how okra water can boost your immune system, helping you stay healthy and fend off illnesses. Then, we'll explore how this miracle drink regulates blood sugar levels, a game changer for those managing diabetes. But that's not all. Okra water is also fantastic for promoting heart health, improving your digestive system, and aiding in weight loss management. These benefits are why so many people, including myself, have started incorporating this simple yet powerful drink into their daily routines. I remember being skeptical, but after seeing the positive changes in my energy levels and overall health, I was convinced. Join me as we dive into these topics and discover why okra water is quickly becoming a health trend you don't want to miss. Number 1. Rich in nutrients by boosting your immune system. First up, let's talk about the incredible nutritional value of okra water and how it can significantly boost your immune system. Okra water is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Key nutrients found in okra include vitamin C and K, magnesium, folate, and calcium. Vitamin C, well known for its immune-boosting properties, plays a crucial role in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. According to research published in the journal Nutritious, adequate vitamin C intake can enhance your immune response and reduce the duration of common colds. Vitamin K is another essential nutrient found in okra. It is important for maintaining healthy bones and proper blood clotting. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, helps regulate blood pressure, and aids in the synthesis of protein and bone. Folate, a type of B vitamin, is vital for DNA synthesis and repair, making it crucial for cell division and growth. Calcium, as we all know, is necessary for strong bones and teeth, but also plays a role in nerve transmission and muscle function. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods like okra water into your diet is essential for overall health. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights the importance of a diet rich in vitamins and minerals for maintaining a robust immune system and preventing chronic diseases. By regularly consuming okra water, you provide your body with a concentrated source of these vital nutrients, helping to boost your immune system and protect against illnesses. So if you want to keep your immune system in top shape, okra water might just be the miracle drink you need. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Next, let's delve into the potential impact of okra water on blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar is crucial, especially for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Remarkably, okra water has shown promise in this area. Okra contains soluble fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. This effect can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to the diet for those looking to maintain steady glucose levels. Research supports these claims. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2011 found that okra extract helped lower blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. The study concluded that okra might have an anti-diabetic effect, likely due to its high fiber content and antioxidant properties. Another study in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences in 2015 also highlighted the benefits of okra in managing blood sugar. Researchers observed that okra reduced the absorption of glucose in the intestines, contributing to better blood sugar control in participants. These findings suggest that incorporating okra water into your daily routine could help regulate blood sugar levels, providing a natural way to support your metabolic health. For anyone managing diabetes or prediabetes, okra water offers a simple and effective strategy to complement traditional treatments. Before we move on to the next segment, let's take a quick moment for some important housekeeping. If you're getting value from the content, remember to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Sharing this video helps others discover it and signals the YouTube algorithm to recommend it to those who could benefit the most. Feel free to tell us your story in the comments below. Your input can make a difference. Let's work together to spread positivity and knowledge where it's needed. Thank you for being a part of our community. Next, number 3, promoting heart health. Now, let's explore how okra water can promote heart health. Cardiovascular disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, so maintaining a healthy heart is paramount. Okra water, with its array of beneficial nutrients, can play a significant role in supporting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. One of the primary ways okra water benefits the heart is through its high fiber content. Soluble fiber, which is abundant in okra, can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the digestive tract. This process reduces the overall absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream, thus lowering bad LDL cholesterol levels. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2014 found that okra extract significantly reduced cholesterol levels in mice, supporting its potential heart-healthy benefits. Additionally, okra contains potent antioxidants like polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2016 highlighted that the antioxidants in okra can improve endothelial function and reduce inflammation, further supporting cardiovascular health. Okra water is also rich in magnesium, a mineral known for its role in maintaining normal blood pressure. Adequate magnesium intake is associated with a lower risk of hypertension, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2013 demonstrated that higher dietary magnesium intake was linked to reduced blood pressure levels, showcasing another way okra water can benefit heart health. You can take advantage of these heart-healthy properties by incorporating okra water into your daily routine. It's a simple yet effective way to support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease, making okra water a valuable addition to a heart-conscious diet. Through its cholesterol-lowering, anti-inflammatory, and blood pressure-regulating properties, okra water stands out as a natural and beneficial drink for maintaining a healthy heart. Next, number 4, improved digestive health. Let's turn our attention to another remarkable benefit of okra water, its ability to improve digestive health. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being, and okra water, with its high fiber content, can play a significant role in maintaining digestive health. Okra water is rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. This can lead to a more efficient digestive process and a healthier gut overall. The benefits of fiber extend beyond regularity. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome is associated with better digestion, improved immune function, and reduced inflammation. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2014, a diet high in fiber supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and enhances overall gut health. Moreover, okra's mucilage, a gel-like substance, further aids digestion. This mucilage can help soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and irritation, which is particularly beneficial for those with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. A study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology in 2011 highlighted that okra's mucilage has a protective effect on the gut lining, helping to maintain a healthy digestive environment. Incorporating okra water into your diet ensures you get a good dose of dietary fiber and mucilage, both of which are instrumental in promoting digestive health. By supporting regular bowel movements, feeding beneficial gut bacteria, and soothing the digestive tract, okra water can help you maintain a healthier and more efficient digestive system. With its fiber-rich composition and soothing properties, okra water is a natural and effective way to enhance your digestive health. Make it a part of your daily routine and experience the digestive benefits for yourself. Number 5. Aiding in weight loss. Finally, let's discuss how okra water can aid in weight loss, making it a valuable addition to your diet if you're aiming to shed a few pounds. With its low-calorie content and high fiber levels, okra water can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey. One of the primary reasons okra water is beneficial for weight loss is its low-calorie nature. A single serving of okra is very low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their caloric intake without sacrificing essential nutrients. According to the USDA, 1 cup of okra contains only about 33 calories. Additionally, the high fiber content in okra water plays a significant role in promoting satiety, which can help control appetite and reduce overall food intake. Fiber slows down digestion, making you feel fuller for longer periods. This can naturally reduce the frequency of snacking and overeating, contributing to weight loss over time. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 found that increased dietary fiber intake was associated with greater feelings of fullness and reduced calorie consumption. Furthermore, the fiber in okra not only promotes satiety, but also supports metabolic health by stabilizing blood sugar levels. This helps prevent the spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can lead to increased hunger and cravings. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 highlights that diets high in fiber are linked to better weight management and a lower risk of developing obesity-related conditions. By incorporating okra water into your daily routine, you can benefit from its low-calorie, high-fiber composition that aids in promoting satiety and supporting your weight loss goals. This makes it easier to manage your diet and stick to a healthy eating plan. In conclusion, okra water is not just a refreshing and nutrient-packed beverage, but also a practical aid in weight loss. Its ability to help you feel full, reduce caloric intake, and stabilize blood sugar levels makes it a powerful addition to any weight management strategy. Try integrating okra water into your diet and experience its benefits firsthand. With that said, check out the video on the screen for more healthy tips to enhance your wellness journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time.